machine, a CNC vertical lathe built for precision in industries like construction machinery, knitting, and motor parts. With hydraulic or manual clamping, it's flexible for different needs.